Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy feature that can help you keep your finances in check. Setting up spending alerts on your mastercard. Whether you're trying to stick to a budget or just want to stay on top of your spending, this is a game changer. Stick around, and I'll walk you through it step by step in just a few minutes. First off, why bother with spending alerts? Well, they notify you via email, text, or app push notifications when you hit certain spending limits. This means you can catch overspending early or spot potential fraud before it escalates. It's like having a personal financial watchdog. To get started, you'll need the mastercard app. If you don't have it yet, head to your app store, it's free for most users, and download it. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your mastercard account details. If you're new, you might need to create an account using your card information. Now, let's navigate to the Alerts section. After logging in, look for the Settings or Notifications tab, usually found in the menu icon. That's the three lines or hamburger icon in the top corner. Tap on it, and you should see options for alerts and controls. Here comes the fun part: customizing your alerts. You can set thresholds for different categories like groceries, dining, or online shopping. For example, set an alert for any transaction over $50 or for weekly totals exceeding $200. Make sure to choose your preferred notification method, email, SMS, or in-app, and save your settings. It's that straightforward. One quick tip: double-check your phone's notification permissions for the app so you don't miss any alerts. And remember, this feature might vary slightly depending on your bank or card issuer, so if you run into issues, check their website or contact support. There you have it. You're now equipped to monitor your spending like a pro. Give it a try and thank me later. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Catch you in the next video.